Must check before entering Malaysia. Download the MYNIISe app and create your account. You can find the download link in the description below. After clicking Foreign Visitor, please press the Continue button. Enter your email address and tap Send Code. Then, enter the verification code you received. Please scan your passport. Please enable the NFC function on your phone. Then scan the front page of your passport as shown on the screen. Please check that your personal information is correct. Then tap the Agree button. Next, please take a selfie. Your face has been successfully verified. Please tap Continue. Please create your account password and enter your contact information. Your account setup is complete. Tap the QR button to generate your entry QR code. Tap the Malaysia Digital Arrival Card (MDAC) button to complete your Malaysia arrival form. Please enter your travel information. Your MDAC submission is complete. You can now save or share your receipt for immigration reference. Welcome to Malaysia with MYNIISe.